Your next word is polyphyloprogenitive.
Round one.
All right, can you spell pyrrolizidini alkaloidosis? Spell hematospectrophotometrically. All right, try spelling thyroparathyroidectomy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Can you spell immunoelectrochemiluminescence?
Round two.
Next up, encephalocraniocutaneous lipomatosis.
5, 4, 3.
All right, spell nucleotide alexotransferase. Your next word is laryngotracheobronchitis. Your next word is pneumoencephalography. All right, can you spell acetylglucochloroglycogenin?
Tempo again.